If you're considering the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi for your home security setup, stick around because I'm about to reveal some serious issues you need to know before you buy. This product promises stunning 2K Super HD clarity, watertight reliability, and smart alerts that seem perfect on paper. But here's what surprised me. The reality behind these claims isn't as flawless as the marketing makes it sound. Most reviews mention how amazing it looks with daytime video and that wide 180-degree angle. Yet many users struggle with connectivity and frustrating usability problems that just might make you think twice. So, what's really going on with this doorbell? Keep watching because I'll break down everything you need to know before spending your $134.99 on this gadget. Now, before you click away, imagine a video doorbell that's supposed to give you crystal clear 2K footage day and night, work seamlessly over Wi-Fi, and even alert you with custom chimes when someone's at your door. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if it's more like a half-assembled jigsaw puzzle that leaves you hopping between apps, missing important notifications, and cursing the day you thought smart home tech would make life easier? That's exactly the dilemma many Reolink users face. And if you want to protect your home without tearing your hair out, you're going to want to hear the full story before you commit. So let's dive into the highs, the lows, and the weird quirks of the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi. This review isn't just for tech geeks or security nerds. If you're a busy homeowner, a small business owner, or even a frequent online shopper worried about porch pirates, this video doorbell claims to bring peace of mind. But if you have a pet who loves to bark at every squirrel or live in an area with spotty Wi-Fi, you might want to stay tuned because some of these features might trigger more headaches than help. I'm also going to share some real user stories that will make you laugh and a few that'll make you want to pull your hair out, plus a couple of jokes to keep us sane. Let's go, starting with the good. The Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi packs some impressive hardware specs. The 2K Super HD video resolution, combined with HDR and 3D noise reduction, supposedly delivers sharp and vivid images even in low light. Many users rave about the clear visual quality during the day. The footage looks so crisp you could almost count the buttons on a visitor's shirt. It also offers a really generous 180-degree wide-angle lens with a 4:3 aspect ratio, which means you're getting more than just a snapshot of your doorstep. You get surrounding areas, which can be crucial for catching suspicious activity. Plus, it comes with a wedge kit to adjust the angle, which is quite thoughtful, especially if your door frame doesn't offer the perfect viewing angle. The built-in two-way audio is another selling point. You can hear and talk back to visitors, delivery people, or the occasional nosy neighbor, straight from your phone even if you're miles away. And let's not forget the included Chime V2. Plug it into any socket, choose from 10 tunes to avoid the dreaded doorbell fatigue, and adjust the volume to your liking. The spotlight feature is smart too. If someone's lurking after dark, you can schedule event-triggered spotlights to turn on, boosting your porch security and hopefully deterring any porch pirates. But here's where the Reolink doorbell stumbles. It promises 2.4 to 5 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility for stable connections, but many users have reported inconsistent connectivity, especially with 5 GHz networks. If your Wi-Fi signal wavers or your router isn't robust, you could find the doorbell dropping offline at the worst times. Imagine missing a delivery alert because your doorbell went silent. Frustrating, right? Not only that, but the accompanying app can confuse things more than it clarifies. Notifications don't always come through reliably, and image snapshots are limited to 25 per day on the free plan, which might sound generous until you consider that a single suspicious visit can trigger way more than that. Also, setting up the hardwired power can be a challenge unless you're handy with electrical wiring. It supports 12 to 24 vac power, but the video doorbell works best when paired with other Reolink accessories like their Chime or NVR network video recorder system. This means if you want the full experience with reliable compatibility, You might end up investing in more Reolink products. Not ideal if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play device. Plus, if you're hoping to get clever preset voice messages or automatic replies for those times when you're busy, it's a mixed bag. Some users have found those features gimmicky or buggy. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering whether these negatives outweigh the positives, here's a real user story that might add some color. One reviewer described how their new doorbell caught a package thief red-handed, but then promptly stopped sending notifications right after. So the footage was there, but they missed the alert. They joked that their doorbell might be better at playing hard to get than actually protecting the home, a joke I'm sure every frustrated buyer has thought at some point. Another user complained about the night vision. While the specs boast incredible clarity at night, some found the video grainy and sometimes plagued by motion blur, which defeats the point of nighttime surveillance. On the software side, I have to point out, the app doesn't always play well with other smart home devices. If you're an avid Alexa or Google Assistant user, you might find integration lackluster or non-existent. That's a hard pass for home automation lovers who want everything interconnected. And yes, before you ask, there was a moment I thought about suggesting the Reolink doorbell for someone looking to spice up their home security game. But after reading through dozens of reviews, it felt like buying this doorbell is like going out with a clumsy date. It looks promising, but you end up dealing with awkward silences and missed signals. Let's talk durability for a second. The waterproof rating gives you confidence to install it in all weather conditions without worrying about rain damage. This feature is absolutely essential, especially for those living in rainy or snowy regions. So at least you can rest easy knowing your investment won't fritz out next time a thunderstorm rolls in. But even waterproof tech needs software that holds up, and unfortunately, the software side here leaves a bit to be desired. So who is the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi actually for? If you're on a tight budget and want an affordable option with decent daytime video quality and wide-angle coverage, it could be a good fit, especially if you're okay tinkering a bit with setup and don't expect flawless connectivity or notifications. It's also suitable if you're already invested in the Reolink ecosystem and want your devices to play nicely together, enhancing compatibility and features. However, if you need a device that's ready to go straight out of the box with rock-solid Wi-Fi stability, flawless app notifications, and seamless smart home integration, you might find this doorbell falling short. The value is there, but with a $134.99 price tag, some compromises might sting, especially when compared to competitors who offer better overall performance for a similar price. Alright, let me drop one final joke to lighten the mood before we wrap up. Why don't smart doorbells ever get invited to parties? Because they're always ringing in the wrong signals. Okay, maybe that one deserved to stay outside. But seriously, after digging deep, I want to leave you with this. The Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi is not all bad. It packs powerful camera specs and some thoughtful hardware features. It just needs better software polish and network reliability to really shine. If you're willing to put in some effort fixing glitches and don't mind intermittent issues, it could be a decent addition to your home security setup. The included chime and adjustable viewing angle give it a nice edge compared to barebone models. Just don't expect it to be a set-it-and-forget-it device. If you want to check out the current price and see if the Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi fits your needs, you'll find a link down in the description. Remember, prices fluctuate quickly, so if you're tempted, don't wait too long. Sometimes, waiting is the best way to miss the deal of the century. In conclusion, this doorbell offers bright 2K HD video, solid daytime performance, wide viewing angles, and some smart alert features. But its patchy Wi-Fi connection, glitchy app notifications, and limited smart home compatibility leave plenty to be desired. If you're an early adopter who enjoys tinkering and wants a budget-friendly option with great visuals, go for it. If you want plug-and-play perfection, maybe keep looking. Thanks for watching this honest review. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth Amazon product reviews, and drop a comment sharing your experiences with smart doorbells. Have you tried the Reolink? Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay safe and choose your tech wisely.